Avionics technicians keep airplanes in the sky. They repair and maintain components used for aircraft navigation, radio communications,
Calling for a ground radio check. How do you copy this transmission?
flight control, weather radar systems, and engine operation. They also work on computerized instruments that run the aircraft. They may have to analyze and develop solutions to complex electronic problems. This is one of the highest paid technical professions, and it's easy to see why. The work is very complex and vitally important. It can be learned at a trade school certified by the Federal Aviation Administration. You must pass a written, oral, and competency test to receive a certificate. Avionics technicians might work for airlines, for manufacturers, or at repair facilities. Dealing with noise, vibration, and heavy equipment is a common part of every shift. Often, the work is done on a deadline to turn around aircraft due up in the air in a matter of hours. But this is a job where safety can never take a back seat to schedule.